Boys, back with the PS2 here, and let's say you have your PS2 here, and you want to play some Need for Speed Underground 2. All-time favorite game. PlayStation 2. As of right now, until I got Title Legends. Because Bubble Bobble, and as you know, I love Bubble Bobble, but today's video is on how to fix the red screen of death. Some people say, oh, if you get the red screen of death on your PlayStation 2 is dead. Nope. Because we have a way to fix it. It's easy. It's easy as hell. So, the red screen of death, it's not in the condition to have it now, but it did have the red screen of death yesterday because we kept using it too much. And we had to let it cool down. Hence the reason why they gave the PlayStation 2 a fan. So it can make sure that you don't get that. But this console, my cousin's been using it since 2014. That was the year that the first ever save state on this console was made. December 1st, 2014. And then there was NASCAR 06 that he played in 2015. Pretty nice game, if I do say so myself. Open disk drive. Let's turn her on. So, yeah. Here we are, PlayStation 2 browser. This is the only controller I have for the system. After, that wireless controller. It's broken, and we had to throw it away. Yeah, but here we have it, the DualShock 2. I'm going to use a third-party controller for my little brother, because he's stupid. So, yeah. And again, I have the 5000. This console may be one of the last PlayStation 2s ever in existence, ever to be manufactured. But I don't really give a shit, mostly because it's still a 6th gen console, and I love 6th gen consoles. Good God, PlayStation, why can't you add a browser like this? Good God, Sony, add this browser into the PlayStation 4. It's the PlayStation 2's 20th anniversary, so do it. Do it! Do it, or else you're going to Brazil. Do it up, or else you're going to Brazil. No, the Sony might copyright strike this, because I just used a PlayStation 2, one of their consoles. But hey, they don't manufacture it anymore, so they probably won't copyright strike me for this. So anyways, let's go back. So back to the browser. You aren't really talking much about the red light, about the red screen of death. My TV's still making static noises. Here's all my save states. my game. This is my memory card. It doesn't really have a lot of space on it. NASCAR, Thunder 2004, Need for Speed, Most Wanted, Need for Speed Underground 2, which is the game that I was talking about in the title in the beginning. Snowboard, SSX 3, Ford Racing 2. I should probably delete some of these. It's kind of taking up my space. Back. Not really gonna play Jak and Daxter on this system. Maybe I will. Alright. So now we kinda have a lot of space on this. And here are those two first save states that I'm telling you about. Here's the first save state that we ever had. As you can see, December 1st, 2014. Soon we might get a Dreamcast or Xbox, GameCube. Original Xbox or GameCube. 2015. At the peak of my life, he played NASCAR 06. It's amazing that he even still had the thing. That he even still... How the hell did he even take it out? Because it was a hard... Anyways, moving on to the red screen of death. How to fix that? It's fairly simple. What you do is you see that switch, the main power switch, just turn off the console. Let it sit for a few minutes. As you can see, my TV is like, no signal, no signal, no signal, no signal, no signal. Then, after those few minutes, turn it back on. Works fairly simple.